going to look at the parrot. I'm going to use a green balloon, deflate a little bit of the air, a few more twists in this one. I'm leaving approximately 1 inch of uninflated air at the end. Probably a little bit more would be, you might want to try and leave a little bit more for yourself if you wish. So we're going to begin by making its head. We're using the same head that we used in the dog. So I'm going to go from the mouth end as usual, tie a 1 inch bubble, twist it over and grab hold of the knot and the balloon together and twist to create the mouth. I'm going to lock it by taking the knot and feeding it through the balloon. I'm then going to make 2 eyes, same as the dog, 1 bubble for the first eye, 2nd bubble for the 2nd eye, and we'll bring those together and twist. And that will lock those in place so that you've got your head. Again, I'm going to look for the smiling side so that the mouth is smiling. I'm going to make a neck, which is a small bubble, and now this is where it changes. We're going to start with the body and then do 2 wings. Now the body, I'm looking at approximately a 2 inch bubble. I'm going to hold it in place so it doesn't come undone. And the wings are going to be almost the same size, but they're going to be curling around so that it's a minute extra bit of size. The wings are going to be a tiny bit bigger than the body. So a second wing has to come down next to it. I look at the wing and I twist it at approximately the same size, so the bubble is the same size. Now this is the little bit scary bit. When you're first doing it, you'll pop a few times until you get the hang of it. I'm going to take the main body of the balloon and feed it through the balloon, which is the body on the wing, until it gets to that point there where all the balloons will lock. And once they all sit in place, everything just perfectly joins together. I look around for the smallest bubble, which is going to be the body, and the 2 other bubbles of the wings, and just straighten everything out so you've got your basis for the parrot. I'm now going to give it some legs. 1 small 1 inch bubble for the leg, another tiny bubble for a foot, another tiny bubble for a foot, and another 1 inch bubble for a leg. I can hold all that in place, just keeping the pressure. Bring the 2 legs together and twist. Make sure everything's positioned in the right direction, and I give the tail a curl. So now it looks like it's a parrot sat on my shoulder. I can take an elastic band and wrap an elastic band through there, or take another balloon if I wanted to and feed that through, tie those together, and now they can wear it by placing their hand through here. I don't do that too often because it requires a 2nd balloon, but it means they can wear it, so it's a wearable parrot balloon around the shoulder. Eye wise, I take a pen. I only draw 2 eyes on this. And they look like so, and that's my parrot. Let's go for an over the shoulder shot. Inflated the balloon, left more balloon that time, that's okay. Tie a knot. Start off by twisting, making the mouth, so a 1 inch bubble, moving them over, grabbing the knot and twisting again, and then feeding the knot through that gap for the balloon. Now I create 2 eyes. I'm holding this bubble here to create a small ball, another bubble which is about about 3/4 inch ball. Bring them together and twist. And that creates the head. Now I'll do the neck, a small bubble. I'm going to do a body. Body's about 2 inches. Bring that balloon to it, and yeah, and you can see there's an extra, it's the curling which gives it the extra bit of size. I don't need to do much, it's a little bit more so that it distinguishes what the wing is. Bring it together, find the other point for the wing, and twist where it's approximately that there. This is the hard part. You're going to squeeze through the balloon and push it. I'm using my fingers to push it through like this. And then slowly now, which is telling me to. There you go. And then it literally locks itself in place. Once I'm in there, we need to do the feet. So one leg, one foot, another foot, and a leg. Size of those is 1 inch ball, 1 inch. Bring them together and twist the whole of the feet together. Give it about 6 or 7 twists just to lock it in place. Make sure the smallest bubble, the body, is at the front with the head facing that way. Give the tail a curl, and you have the parrot.